What's up, Moxie fam? Today I'm going to show you a shortcut that allows you to add a direct link to your Moxie Life digital planner right on your device's home screen so you can jump straight into planning with one tap. With each one of our digital planners and companion notebooks, you get an app icon download set. Under your resources, you're just going to click it and download these app icons that we're going to use for our home screen. You can check your downloads. You're going to go and open that folder, and then you'll see that you have these PNGs of our covers, like so. You can also save these and use these as stickers if you want. You're going to open up your shortcut app, go to all shortcuts. You're going to add a new shortcut. Then I want this in GoodNotes. If you're using another app, you can pick that note-taking app. And then I'm going to go down and I'm actually going to pick the specific planner that I want it to open. So I want it to open up my weekly planner. And then I'm going to click that info and I'm going to press add to home screen in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to press the image and I'm going to choose a file. You can also save these as photos and then you would say like choose a photo. Now I'm going to use our Pebbles cover for this app icon shortcut, and I'm going to add a title. It's right underneath the graphic. My text is a little bit white so you can't see it, but you're going to add a title. I'm just going to say weekly planner and press add. Now you see it, it's in the upper left hand corner of my home screen. I'm also going to create one more app that I want it to open a folder that has all of my planners in it. And so you just can do that versus selecting a planner. You would say open a folder and then pick the folder. And then you just repeat and you're going to add your app icon. I'm going to go with this floral cover. I'm going to label it 2024 planners because I'm going to use it now. And then I'm going to press add and then it opens up and it's right there at the top. I love this. I think it's so cool. And so now when I tap it, it opens up all of those planners. Doesn't that look so cute? And then when I click my planner, it opens up my flagship planner. Let me know if you try this shortcut in the comments below.